tadara Namaskaram and welcome to Swara Raga's YouTube channel. Thank you for joining me today in episode 7 as we explore Carnatic music and in the process build an educated Rasika. In the past few episodes, we talked about ragams and talams. Today, we are going to talk about raga lakshanams. A raga lakshanam means the description of a ragam. When listening to a ragam, if you want to find out what ragam they are singing or an instrumentalist is playing, these are some of the important features that will stand out to help understand the ragam better and also identify the ragam. Sangeeta Ratnakara from 13th century AD by Sarangadeva mentions Raga Trayodasha Lakshanams, basically 13 Lakshanams of ragams. These are the Trayodasha Raga Lakshanas. They are Griha, Amsaswara or Jivaswara, Mandra, Tara, Nyasa, Apanyasa, Sanyasa, Vinyasa, Bahutva, Alpatva, Antaramarga, Shadava and Audava. Let's take a quick look at each of these. A Griha Swaram is the starting point of any ragam. It does not have to be one note, it can be different notes, but that will be the starting point of that raga exploration. A Jiva Swaram or Amsa Swaram is the life of a ragam. It is sung very frequently to bring the beauty of the ragam. Moving on, a Nyasa Swaram is the ending note of a raga exploration. Just like the Griha Swaram, a Nyasa Swaram will be the ending note of a ragam. It may be the same note as a Griha Swaram, but it will be the ending part. Moving on, a Tara and Mandra tells us where the raga sancharas should end, beyond which the beauty or the essence of the ragam may be lost. So that tells us where we should end the raga sancharas. Moving on, an apanyasam is a note, starting note for different sections of a raga exploration. A raga can be explored in different stages by going from one note to another, and an apanyasam is the note that tells us how to start each section with the use of this particular note. Moving on, a bahutvam is the note that is used a lot and very frequently in a particular ragam. On the contrary, an alpatvam is a note that is very sparingly used. A sanyasam is the ending note of a particular raga exploration. Just like the starting note of a different section was apanyasam, a sanyasam tells us the ending note of the particular section of the raga exploration. A vinyasam is the exploration of the ragam. Multiple phrases are used to bring about the beauty and melody of the ragam. So a raga exploration is called a vinyasam. Moving on, an antara marga is the note that does not belong to the ragam. A Shadava is a ragam that has 6 notes, and Audava is a ragam that has 5 notes. Venkatamaki from 19th century AD in his work Chaturdandi Prakashika omitted the last 3 lakshanas, mainly the Antaramarga, Shadava and Audava. As they were a separate Janya ragams, they were not used in the Raga Lakshanams. By listening to a particular ragam repeatedly and keeping in mind these notes, as a starting point and exploration and the ending point, and different aspects from this will help us connect with the ragam better. And multiple compositions in a ragam helps us to know the ragam better. And that brings us to the end of this video. I hope you found that informative. In the next video, we will talk more about ragams, and I hope you will join me for that. Thank you and namaskaram.